Yeah, grammar is
So
very important initially. So yeah,
yes.
good. And you're taking like small steps.
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Hello. Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay,
What
awesome.
about me, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible. Hi, how are you? How's everything going on?
Everything's going fine, ma'am. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
it's going great. Thank you.
Yeah, sound good, ma'am.
Yeah. So is this the first time we are meeting?
Yeah, this is our first conversation, ma'am. Yeah, that we have met
So
first time.
let's introduce ourselves. You go first.
Yeah, so I'm Shahid and I'm from Jharkhand and I have been learning this for a 6 month and I like to talk with stranger people and I like to talk and I like to play cricket as
Mhm.
well as and I like to read a little bit, not too much and yeah and yeah that's it, man. Yeah,
Okay. Good to see you. So hi
yeah.
Shah, I'm Apurva. I have done my engineering and I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. So
Mhm.
yeah, even I like to read a little bit. I love reading, but I don't get a lot of time. So I love reading, but I read a little bit. And I like
Yes,
to
same here, man.
yeah. And yeah, I like to watch cricket as well. So yeah,
Okay.
good to see you here today.
Yeah, and I both thing I like to watch cricket and as well as I like to play cricket. Both thing I like it.
So what do you like to do? Like fielding, bowling, batting? What is your strong area?
My strong area is nowadays bowling. Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. So are you like a spinner or what kind of
No,
bowling?
I'm medium faster, ma'am. You can say, yeah.
That's great. So how often do you play?
Nowadays I haven't played, but before lockdown I had played. Yeah, but nowadays I haven't played. Yeah.
Okay, that's in a way sad. I hope the lockdown gets over quickly so we can play.
Yes, yes. I hope it will fine soon. Yeah.
Yeah. A part of me doesn't wants to go out because it's like we are so used to the house and everything. But yeah, like we are missing a lot of things. So that is
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
So Shahid, what would you like to do today? Should we talk on today's session's topic? Do you want to talk on random things? What would you like?
No, okay, we can talk about topic. No, there's no issue.
Okay. So today's topic is related to bucket list. Would you like to talk on that?
Okay, no problem, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
I
It's
can
an
talk.
interesting topic. So do you have a bucket list?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have in my bucket list something. Yeah,
Hmm.
some stuff. Yeah, like in my bucket list is something means like I want to buy a flight, 2 BHK flat. I want to buy a car. Yeah, this kind of stuff I have in my bucket list. Yeah, right. And nowadays, in my biggest, you can say, top my bucket list is that learn English language. Yeah,
Hmm.
it is also my in bucket list. Yeah.
That's great. So how do you maintain a bucket list? Is it like in your head, or do you have a journal, or do you have like a folder where you keep all those things? How do you arrange it?
Means what, ma'am? How to arrange means, ma'am? I
So
didn't get it. Can you elaborate?
some people keep their bucket list in their mind. They are like, okay, I don't
Hmm.
have it physically. It is there in my mind. I know what I want. Some people
Hmm.
like to have a book and they know they write it down what they want, or they stick the pictures in the book or on pages.
Yes,
And
true.
some people like to have it in a folder, like on mobile or on a laptop.
Yes, true.
Yeah. So how do you arrange your bucket list?
I arrange in my mind, ma'am. I haven't write, but yeah, if I write now, so it will more strong. I know
Hmm.
that, but I'm so lazy, so I haven't write. But in my also in my mind, yeah, I keep in my mind. Yes, ma'am.
That's
And I
that's
have been working. Yes,
yeah. Okay. That's great.
yes, ma'am. And I have been working for something like I said, as I said to you, means top my biggest bucket list is that learn English language. So I have been working for that. I hope I will get, I will speak one day well.
Yeah, you will, you will. Don't worry. And so, what steps are you taking towards accomplishing your goals, accomplishing your
Uh,
bucket list ideas?
Means what? Could you come again, ma'am? Could you repeat that your question?
Steps are you taking towards your goals? Like right now, you said
Uh-huh.
you have a goal for English. So obviously, you're
Yes.
taking steps towards it by joining Flamingo and reading
Yes.
and all. But
Mm-hmm.
about PHK and other things, what steps are you taking towards that?
Okay. A part of English means except English. You wanted to say.
Yeah,
Yeah, about other bucket list you wanted to say. Okay, no problem. Means other, yeah, just like I said to you, means I wanted to buy a 2 BHK flat. This is my future plan, and still uh, I save, means I save some money, and let's say it will, it is a big dream. It is my big dream. I know it will not achieve in soon, very soon, no, but it will take time, and so I will save some money. But now it's very less amount, but I hope it will massive amount, and I one day I will buy 2 BHK flat.
absolutely.
Yeah,
That's great. So where do you want to buy your flat?
in around my area, ma'am.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any bucket list, ma'am?
Yeah, I do. I have a box actually. It's here,
Oh wow.
and I just okay. I'll show you something. See, I keep it like this. It was because of Clappingo, and I write down
Okay,
here what I want to do.
okay. What have you written?
This is a photo of an island where I want to visit, and it's written nature walks and camps I want to do with my friends.
Okay, nice. And one more thing I wanted to go, means I wanted to go Maldives.
Oh, that is great! Wow, that is
Yes,
so cool.
yes, yes, ma'am.
And it is such a beautiful place. It's really
Yes.
nice. Yeah. Do you know how to swim?
No, I don't know, ma'am.
Yeah, same. That is the only reason I want to go to Maldives. I'm like, okay, Bali and all, you need a little bit of swimming, but Maldives is like very shallow. It's just 4 feet or something, 3 or 4 feet.
Yeah. So have you gone there? Have you gone Maldives?
No, no, but no,
No.
but it is one of the things I would love to do. So yeah,
Okay. So when will you go, ma'am?
it's not a
Did you know?
very important one, but yeah, the first thing I want to do is go to Europe. So yeah, maybe
Okay.
after that.
Wow. That's
Mhm.
great, man.
For education, not for travel.
Okay.
What about you? Which country do you want to visit first?
I wanted to go USA. Yeah.
Hmm. That's great.
Because yeah, because there's many Hollywood stars, they
Hmm.
stay. So I wanted to go there, and I wanted to means lots of people they speak English there. So I wanted to know about their culture, or like I wanted to communicate with that person, means how to they communicate. So I want to communicate with them.
That's really nice. I hope that you do it very soon. Okay.
Yes, I hope.
Uh, Shahid, what is like the craziest thing on your bucket list?
I think uh, I think English learning, ma'am.
Okay. Anything that is like the craziest thing?
Yeah, because when I have people say, if you want to learn English language, first you learn grammar, otherwise you can't speak English. So when I learn grammar, when I know about, when I when I have known about grammar, means like sentences, then after, then people say, now you will get to know about, now you wanted to know about models. So so means what I have learned, then after again and again something will happen. Now you
Yeah.
got it, my what I wanted to say, means first I learn means grammar means like tenses. Then I got to know. Then I wanted to know about uh, models, right?
Okay.
So then after there's some another thing I wanted to. I want to know about. I willing to know about like passive voice. Then
Hmm.
I will. Then I will speak English well. This is
Yeah.
not my concept. That is a people concept.
Yeah.
Most of the people they say like that. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Grammar is
So
very important initially. So
yes.
yeah, good. And you're taking like small steps. I really love that. That's really good. So you're
Yeah.
perfecting that one part and then you're moving to the other one. That's great. Keep it up. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So why I'm saying crazy thing because if you have completed one level about English language, so other thing is other thing suddenly you wanted to do. Otherwise you don't correct other thing. So then again you are not speaking well. So when you have completed second level, then again you
There is,
wanted to
yeah.
yeah you want to achieve three level.
Hmm.
So level is day every level is day by day and learning to English language is increase. I mean to say
Yeah. It is increasing.
there
Yes.
is no end of the level. I mean to say, man.
Yeah. Absolutely. You're doing really good. Yeah. Okay. So is it okay if we come to the feedback part and if we
Yes,
have
please,
time, then
ma'am.
continue talking?
No, please, ma'am. It's a very necessary feedback. Then I will correct my English language.
Yeah. So, okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So, Shahid, the way you talk is really nice. The pace at which you were talking was good. It wasn't too fast. It wasn't too slow. It was really well. And there were times when you were changing the pitch of your voice. There was a slight voice modulation as well. So that is really good. Try to do more voice modulation. So your voice, it just sounds very polite and enthusiastic at the same time, and there is a lot of confidence in your voice. So that is like really good. Try to increase that now. Try to make your voice a little more professional. So you're doing
Mhm.
great right now in terms of voice and the pace at which you are talking. Uh, there were times when you were inside a loop. For example, when you were saying when I, and then you were trying to explain the whole thing when I, and then you self-corrected yourself in that sentence. So that is also a really good thing that you are able to get out of your loop and you are trying to self-correct yourself. That is great. I know it's very hard, but you're doing really good in that area as well. And
Yes.
the way you were the structure of the sentence was all right. It was up to mark. We can go a step ahead now. So like you said, you were working on the tenses and everything. That was really well done. Most of the parts you were doing very good, but you made few mistakes in the verb forms, like increasing, and you said increase instead of increasing. Something like that was happening. So just go through the verb forms now once.
Okay.
So the tenses are very well done. The way you were telling tenses was appropriate. Your concepts in the tenses are clear. So try to
Mhm.
go in the verb forms. V1, V2, V3. You must have,
Yes. Yeah. I know. Yeah.
yeah. Just go through it once again. I know you know it. It will just
Yes.
require like 3 to 4 times practice. Then you are good to
Yes.
go. So that
Yes.
was good.
Ma'am.
And try to focus a little bit on pronunciations, because whenever you're using letters of whenever you're using words with letter A, you the A is sounding as O a little bit. So try to just
Okay.
go through it. For example, don't say like A, say like a.
Okay.
Yeah. And there were times when you were using really good words like massive amount, this, that. So that was great, incredible. So overall, you're doing really well as a communicator. You're expressing, and you're nodding and you're giving smiles and all that is really good. So yeah,
Okay.
as
Thank
a
you.
communicator, you're doing really good, and even there is a lot of improvement. I would say in terms of English. So yeah,
Okay. So
but
I wanted to one thing, ma'am. I wanted to know about you. You have using loop, right?
yeah,
Loop. So
Loops.
what does mean loop, ma'am? Can you
Loop
tell
as
me?
you were saying one phrase over and over again. So what happens whenever you were saying, I'm just giving you an example. I don't remember what you were saying, what exact words were. For example,
Okay.
when you were like, when I was doing, when I was trying, when I was trying, when I was doing, that way you are in a loop of when I was, and you aren't getting the right word to say after that. But then initially after like 2 3 tries, you try to get out of that loop by saying, when I was trying to do this, and you
Mm-hmm.
completed the whole sentence. So it's kind loop means it's a programming language concept. Loop means going in circles for a long time.
Okay. Got it.
I don't know the English thing. This is a programming language word I've used. I'm so sorry for that if it
It's
is
okay, ma'am. It's okay. Totally
yeah.
fine.
If you have any questions, doubts, anything, just go for it. Yeah.
Yeah. Any kind of mistake you have got it, my. So can you tell me means like
Yeah,
in
so we will be
sentences? I mean to say.
because
Mhm.
that is like the prominent mistake I could find for now.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
that we work on. And see, for words like wanted, A is there, wanted. So just go through the pronunciations once again. Listen to them.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
not
ma'am.
like pronunciations are wrong. It is just the undertone is different. So that is the reason the pronunciations get affected. You are doing really well in the pronunciation part.
Yes. So yeah, time is now. I think time is running out, ma'am. How many time available now?
We still have 2 minutes left, I think. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, then fine, ma'am. So
Yeah.
yeah. So tell me about your crazy bucket list, ma'am. Do you have any crazy bucket list? Yeah.
Yeah. I want to jump off the sky, like all these adventure sports. I want to do that. So
Okay, you wanted to jump in aeroplane and
yeah,
to
from
sky.
yeah, or either bungee jumping or something like that. Bungee jumping is that we are on a bridge.
Skydive.
Yeah, skydiving is from the airplane, and bungee jumping
Yes,
is,
yes, true.
right? There is a
Yes.
rope, and we just dive into a river. They
Mhm.
throw us, and we dive into a river.
Okay, so that is
Yeah,
your crazy thing. That is
some
your crazy bucket list. Okay.